Hello from the editing table, aka my bed and my laptop. I just realized that I did not film any type of anything when I was doing this room tour. So we decided to do 2 connecting balcony rooms this time around. Last time we did a suite, and originally we had an XL suite booked. But when you really think about it, you really don't have that much room in a suite. Like, you do get some perks, but depending on the suite, like, you're still kind of like together. Does that make sense? I don't know. So anyway, we decided to do the connecting rooms this time, and it was so worth it. Not only did we save some cash, okay, but the kids got to trash their side, and then when I was really tired of Ysa, I just shut the door, okay? And I didn't hear her. Well, I heard her, but I gave her time to have her little meltdowns, and then I would open it back up like, "Are you good, girl?" But anyway, we also had our room steward come in after this and open up our balcony. So we had a long balcony. It was so awesome because every time I wanted to go outside on the balcony to get some privacy, here came my kids. And originally you would only have 2 tables, but again, there's 4 of us. So having the connecting rooms and double those, really everything, was just chef's kiss. Also, we had 2 bathrooms. That's all I gotta say is 2 bathrooms. So one bathroom was for number 2 and the other bathroom was for number 1. I know it sounds so stupid, but again, you're living in close quarters for a week, and it just makes sense to do it this way. So highly recommend, if you can swing it, go for the connecting rooms versus a suite. I mean, unless you're on Royal Caribbean and you're in a townhouse, then go all out, girl. But for me, connecting rooms is the way to go.
I see drinks and I see food. Hi! I'm looking for Wi-Fi so I can text because I'm not putting an international plan on my phone for a day. So, I'm gonna find some Wi-Fi and then I'm gonna find something to eat because I'm starving. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. There's our ship. Oh. So we're on the Carnival celebration. We're doing a 7-day. I think they're calling it exotic Caribbean. I don't know. But it's Amber Cove, San Juan, and St. Thomas. And we had a sea day yesterday. It was like our first official sea day. The first 2 days were crap, but now we're here. We're off. I got some sunshine. I got some drinks. And I got in the pool, which is shocking for me. But anyway, we're gonna see if we can get her passport stamped, and then we're gonna head back to the ship and see what we can get into tonight. Hello from Puerto Rico. I'm actually on my way to Ralph Lauren right now because I forgot to put shirts on the boys' checking pack list. So they had no shirts for formal night. But anyway, I'm like right here by Polo. So I'm trying to go. You can see the ships from here. Oh, and CVS is right here too, which I need to go to a drugstore because I need eye drops. All right, let me show you the ships. Hi.
Later that night.
Hi. It's me again, and it is also like 11 p.m. and I'm still editing. But y'all, I'm reliving 80s night, and I just I don't know what's going on with us. This was 100% the best night of the entire trip, okay? Like, the best night. We started at dinner, and we ended up, who really knows where we ended up? Oh, we ended up at the club. Yeah. And spoiler alert, I'm not a club person, so what was I really doing? No clue. So I'm not going to put all the clips because there's so much photographic and video evidence of 80s night. But just know that it was fun. A time was had. And I would 1,000,000% do it again. Oh yeah. Okay, back to the video.
Three hours later.
One and two and three, whoops. Hey! Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. All right, again. Let's add a little more. Some more rice is more better on the brown rice. Let's do some more and more. All right, and more and more and more and more. Yeah, another one. Yeah, another one. All right. Another one. Oops. Another one. The last one right here, right? There you go. You don't like noisy? No? Very noisy, right? Very noisy, no? No good? No good, no? So let's start making all those omelets right now. A very, very nice omelet for everybody. A little salt. Alright, a little salt. No girlfriend. Totally alone.
The next day.
Look at your mama.
You owe me $1 million. $1 million. I don't want to hear shit like